Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuse for the rear passenger window is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the rear right passenger window fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion right here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes in that Ford Fusion. Today we'll be working in one, but you have many hidden fuse boxes. We have a special video about that on our YouTube channel, about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. Check it out. Come to the inside. Here on the driver's side, under the dash, you see that trim under the dash extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It attaches with 4 clips underneath, one here, here, and 2 like that on the other side. Pull from top to bottom, opens deep inside the dash on the left side. You guys have the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So the rear passenger window fuse, let's zoom in a little bit. Oh guys, now piece of advice, you see these double fuses, those are super hard to find. How we know? Because we were stuck in the middle of nowhere without a replacement and we couldn't move. Get some spare ones and keep them guys just in case you need them. Next to the fuses you see numbers, and the fuse that we need for the rear passenger window will be fuse number 30. We're talking about a 30M fuse right here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.